Evolution of braking system. Air pressure braking was first used in the railways in the 1920s. Full air pressure braking was introduced in India during the early 60s. When the same was introduced in commercial vehicles, it started with a single line circuit. In this, when brakes are applied, the air pressure is transmitted to all the four wheels simultaneously. When there is loss of air pressure, there is no braking possible in this system. In order to overcome this problem, a single-line fail-safe system was introduced in the late 70s. In this circuit, a spring brake chamber is attached to the rear brake chamber, wherein a heavy coil spring is kept compressed with air pressure. And when there is air pressure loss, the heavy coil spring will push and apply the brakes. A hand control valve was also added to the circuit to facilitate using the spring brake as a parking brake. The drawback in this circuit was that the braking of the vehicle is not in the control of the driver, which is not a desirable feature. To overcome all these deficiencies, a dual brake system was introduced in the early 80s. In this system, the front and the rear brake systems are made independent of each other, with a common operating control in the brake valve. This system facilitates operation of at least one system even when there is air pressure loss in one circuit. Even though dual braking system is available with full air and air-assisted hydraulic systems, with the full air braking being standardized in commercial vehicles, we will explain the features for the full air braking system in this presentation.